Advertise your stuff for free on Facebook. On Facebook, it's free. Advertise your stuff for free on Facebook. On Facebook, it's advertise your stuff for free on Facebook. On Facebook, it's free. Advertise your stuff for free on Facebook. On Facebook, it's free.
Hi everybody. The other day I was asked, how do I put my ads up on Facebook? And does it cost me anything to put the adverts on Facebook? Well, the answer to that one is no, it doesn't cost anything to have your, whatever you want to sell, you know, multimeters, screwdrivers, whatever you've got to sell, clothes, baby stuff, whatever. A lot of people still don't know how to use Facebook to sell stuff. So I'm going to do some free tutorials, and the first thing I'm probably going to ask is it going to cost anything? No, I'm going to do it for free. I don't want nothing for it. But I'm going to set them up on Facebook so you can follow me. So all you have to do is answer back, yes, I'd like to join the free tutorials, and in the comments on this Facebook page, on my Facebook page, which is john.lovatt.524, I think, isn't it? Yeah, john.lovatt.524. So that's how you get to my Facebook page. That will get you straight to my timeline. Then you can go down the timeline and have a look, or send me a personal message, you know, and say, you know, I want to join. I want to learn how to do this so that I can make some money at home, selling locally in Thanet some stuff that I've got, you know, and not have to pay to advertise it, because it's so stupid that you have to pay to do anything today. And yet Facebook, for a long time, have been allowing you to use Facebook to sell your stuff locally. In other words, that means people, you put your stuff up, you say what you want for it, and then people will PM you, which is a personal message direct to you from them, asking you if the item is still available, and you answer them back. If it is, you say yes. The next thing they're going to need is some way of contacting you. Well, you just give them your address. They're in Thanet, they live in Thanet, the people that are looking at the ads, they live in Thanet. You give them the address, they come and have a look, they buy it or whatever. It's personal, it's door to door, you got no PayPal, no mucking about with anything like that, but I'm going to teach you how to do it. And if you're interested in this, come onto my Facebook page, john.lovatt524, and you know, you'll join the group. Yeah, john.lovatt.524. I think I forgot to say the dot last time, but there you go, and I'll show you how to sell your wares and pieces and bits and pieces. You can't do this commercially. This is only for people to sell their stuff from home. You can't use this for commercial selling, because otherwise Facebook will just take it away from us, because they think, oh, that's being too popular. Okay, have a great day.
Advertise your stuff for free on Facebook. On Facebook, it's free. Advertise your stuff for free on Facebook. On Facebook, it's free.